me, sir. That's not OSHA approved. I need all of that in there.
What's wrong with your nuts?
They're crusty.
Busy boobler for me.
That is a setup right there. You can
cut
cut it
off
off
the-
and
and
clean
run
it
the wheel.
all at the
What?
same time.
Efficiency at its finest.
Oh, it was.
We're gonna do a slow-mo spark thing.
Excuse me, sir. That's not OSHA approved.
Hey, well, fine.
You gotta contain those sparks.
Color.
Look at those shiny Johnnies in there.
That's how you two-stroke.
So, get about 6 3/4 to the bottom of that hole.
Okay.
Same hole on this side. Six and 3/4.
One and done, baby. That's how I do it.
It might be a little higher, just usually factory suspension will raise the driver's side just a little bit because they're accommodating for obviously somebody driving it
Right.
all the time.
The weight of a people.
The weight of an average American.
The weight of a
people.
The weight of a people. boys like wieners?